So this is a Nautique Upholstery shop. We have 89 employees. Tulip has been very beneficial to us because we have a tracking software system now that's tracking what everybody's doing on that day in real time. It's really hard to track 500 to 600 parts a day manually, writing them down and how long that time is.
Most of our process improvement projects were based on the manual consumption of data, pen and paper, stopwatch. So how we were doing things in the past and really wasn't providing enough data for us to make data-driven decisions. We're using Tulip to capture data in our tacking area in upholstery. Our operators check out parts, work on them, and then check back in. And that allows us to collect information on who did which part, what boat it was for, what order it was for, and how long that part took. On my own, I've been able to create some power apps, analytics, and tools that really drive process improvement changes and help increase efficiencies without needing a support team of IT staff, data engineers, or database management individuals. It can all be done intuitively through the software itself.
It's been very beneficial for me to do reviews this time because I can show people what they're actually doing.
And we've been able to coach them and say, hey, we know you're better than this. You've proven it over time. You know, your trend in your data is that it's down. You know, and we gave them actually a coaching session, and their productivity improved.
Everybody inherently wants to do a good job. So when they see themselves compared to their coworkers and see where they are on the scale, they want to do a better job. And so it just drives efficiency throughout the whole shop.
Since we've had Tulip, I challenge myself, and the guy standing behind me, we challenge each other. And it makes the day a lot better.